Hey guys, check out this powerful HEPA vacuum for mold remediation, the Nilfisk VP300 HEPA vacuum, now available at Agile equipment. Let's have a look. This vacuum is lightweight, quiet, and ideal for the restoration industry. At just 5.3 kilos, it's easy to carry. And with a 10-meter cord and onboard rear tool storage, you're ready to go wherever the job takes you. The vacuum's front swivel wheels and protected rear wheel design make it easy to maneuver. What's important is what is at the heart of the vacuum, a true H13 HEPA filter, capturing 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. A H13 HEPA filter is equivalent to an M-class vacuum. That's more than enough to trap mold spores, which are generally at the size range beginning at 1 micron. It also includes a motor filter, helping reduce the chance of fine particles/spores escaping the unit. Its size, convenience, and H13 HEPA make it a great choice for vacuuming for the HEPA bench by IQ Pro, used for book and document restoration on mold and fire jobs. Check out our video for that. It comes with everything you need to get started. A combination nozzle kit with hose, handle, metal extension pipe, and floor head. A crevice tool for hard to reach spots, and most importantly, the D32 suction brush, ideal for dislodging spores during physical mold removal. Other features are its 1200 watt motor, delivering strong suction and airflow that pulls fine dust, embedded particles, and mold spores straight off the surface. Despite the power, it runs at just 50 decibels, quiet enough for indoor environments and extended use, and perfect for jobs where sound may be a concern, like hotels and offices. It also has extendable pole for easy vacuuming and a lock-in mechanism for the power cord. It comes with a large white sack filter that acts as a pre-filter, great for catching larger debris and dust while helping maintain suction performance. The sack filter is easy to replace, as well as the dust bags, which are large capacity dust bags. Whether you're working in fire damage, mold remediation, or general restoration, the VP300 HEPA gives you the filtration and power you need, holding more than most standard 4 to 6 liter dust bags found in competing models. All of this combined makes for a longer lasting, time efficient, and convenient vacuum to use on jobs without the bulk or noise. We've got plenty in stock. Get yours now at agileequipment.com.au. Thanks for watching.